We spend a lot of time talking about our turnout and our jumps, specifically kind of geared more towards ballet. But the thing is, I've said this in other videos, that you can basically take anything that we do in ballet and take it parallel and apply it to jazz or tap and hip hop if you apply the right technique for each of those respective genres. A couple of examples of this would be the fact that you can take a simple stag leap. A stag leap is that attitude front, attitude back, or the passe position front, arabesque back, and you jump. This, however, can be done with a turnout, in which case the front leg would go up and the back leg lifts to an attitude. Just like we talked about in the alignment video, you would want to then practice that in a turned out position on the floor instead of being parallel. You can take steps like your grand jetés and do them in a parallel alignment instead of a turned out alignment. It creates a different dynamic in your body. Hitch kicks can be done in ballet as well, but we primarily talk about them in jazz. So a hitch kick is just your passe ground battement, faster with a jump. When we go to do this in ballet, we can do that with a turnout. We can also do them straight leg, so we can go parallel, parallel. We can go with a turnout for each of those. It creates a different dynamic. These are all just a few examples. Again, you can do this with almost every jump possible and take it from a turned out position to a parallel position. I will see you tomorrow.